Hello ulit sa inyong lahat. Ang topic natin for today is how to build icons using Canva and use it inside our Power BI. So these are all created using the new card visual from Power BI. So if I select one, that's our new card visual. And we used the new card visual to build all these cards here. And the icons that we used here are all coming from Canva. And that's the first thing that we're going to do. How to create icons from Canva. Now, we learned from my previous post na pwede tayong gumawa ng icons using uni character or emojis inside our DAX formula. But the icons are limited. There are a lot of options, but if you have more diverse options, Canva is one of the best sites to build your icons. So how can we use Canva? Let's open our Canva. Now this is my Canva account. I just have a free pro version. Now you just have to create a custom size of your Canva, which is I use 100 by 100 pixels. I'll add a page. Now in your elements, you can type in a description of the icon that you would like to use. In this case, I just type in positive icon and a bunch of icons will appear and you just have to pick which of these icons that you would like to use. Let's say for me, for this time, I'd like to use this one here. So since I have a pro version, trial version of pro, I can select this one and just fill up the whole area of your icon. Now you can change the color depending on your design. So I'll just change it to my colors of my brand. I'll choose the blue one. And once you have chosen the correct color, you just have to download it. Share, download PNG. You can also use SVGs, but for the moment, we are going to use PNG. Select transparent background, parent page, page 5, download. After we download our PNG icon, let's go back to our Power BI. How can we use inside our icons? So let's just create a new card visual. Let's just have any measures there. Okay, how can we add the new icons that we have from this new card visual? Let's go to the Format tab. Let's go to Images. Sales here and here. That's correct. Let's turn on the image. You will use imaged. And then we're going to browse where we can find. It's still in my downloads. This one here. Open. So now we have added the icon inside our new card visual. Now you can change the position of the icon. You can go to the left and you can change the size. Let's have it to 100. Yeah, you can change it as well to, if you want a smaller icon, 50, and you can change the space between an image and the icon as well. So you can have it to 50 if you want. So that's how you can use icons coming from Canva to use in our Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you next time.